Today, I'll be showing you how to write good product descriptions on your e-commerce store. In the past, you may have heard me talk about the sales accelerator process, and this is actually one of the necessary steps in order to increase traffic, sales, and conversions to your online store. Before I figure this out, I would sometimes leave the product description blank or maybe just write a single sentence, but in the long run, this is just going to hurt you and your store. The goal is that once you watch this video, you will see an uptick in sales because your customer is going to be well informed on the product they're purchasing. Product descriptions can ease the mind of the customer when they are browsing through your store. So first, you need to focus on your ideal customer. Make sure that you start with this because otherwise you will just write product descriptions that address everyone and they just become kind of mediocre. So very important to know your customer, know your ideal customer, and what things they're gonna be looking for. All right, so number one, avoid generic phrases like excellent product quality. These things people tend to just overlook. I believe we call them like the yeah statements, right? Are those things that you just they're filler words. They don't really provide any real detail about the product. Product details can add credibility and actually can make the sale of that particular product. So very important to actually use descriptions and values and things that will actually describe the product a little bit more. Instead of saying excellent product quality, maybe you could say, 100% real full grain leather, right? That should also sort of tell the customer that it is an excellent product quality because you're describing what an excellent product quality actually is. Number two, use sensory words when possible. These just increase sales. A lot of restaurants actually use these words all the time. You can think of words like velvety or smooth or crisp and bright, right? These are just adjectives that also appeal to their senses, right? So be thinking of those and insert them between your product descriptions when possible. All right, number three is consider including some sort of social proof. So everyone is looking for product reviews, including myself. Like a lot of times when I'm shopping for products, I even filter products by most reviewed or highest rating, right? That's something very important for customers, no matter what they're purchasing. So maybe consider including a really good social proof, really good review right there on the product description. You don't have to do a bunch of them, just do one. That looks really good. Maybe include the customer's image in there. That also increases conversion a little bit. Next one is to make them scannable. Use bullet points, include plenty of white space, increase your font size to promote readability. What you need to do or make sure that you do here is that you don't have a bunch of paragraphs in your product description and just make it super hard for the customer to purchase. Obviously, they're gonna be looking at the images, videos, if you have any. And with the product description, you also wanna make it very scannable and easy to read. So again, using bullet points or maybe check marks, using different colors, playing with your font sizes, doing italics, bold, can all help you create a very solid and easy to read and scannable product description. Okay, hopefully that helped you figure out how to write better product descriptions. If you would like to learn more about our sales accelerator process, you can schedule a call with us at sales.bigbranding.co.